Okay, so good morning to Dr. Elshe. Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate the Lab 3 Java Network and Client Server Socket. Okay, so without further ado, let's straight go to the task 1. Okay, so basically for the task 1, we need to get the IP address. So we need to create a project name named Uni by name under the NetBean project. Okay, so basically this is the code. So let's just straight copy and we try to run it. Okay, so basically this is the code where we need to find the www.unimap.edu.my website. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so basically you can see this is the Unimap, the IP address for the www.unimap.edu.my, which is 10.0.6.2. Okay, so yeah, if let's say if we add the invalid website address, so you can see uh, we cannot we will execute this line. Okay, so you can see, okay, so we couldn't find a Unimap website, so which means that this is a invalid address, so it will straight run under this command. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that's all for task 1. So we need to go to the task 2. Okay, so we need to run the whatname.java. We need to write the program to print the domain name on the IP address, which is 125.56.3234 and 151. Okay, so let's go. Okay, what name? Okay, so we need to run this code, right? Okay, so basically we just run it. Okay, so basically we need to find out the domain name, right? Okay, so the 125.56.234.151 is this one, right? So why it print the same address? Because this is an invalid IP address. That's why it cannot find the domain name for this address. Okay, so complete for the question 1. So we need to proceed to the share server. Okay, so for the share server, we need to actually execute this one. Okay, so the share server, we need to check whether these two addresses are the same website or different. Okay, so let's go, we run it. Okay, so basically they are the same website. So another method to actually to prove whether they are same website is that we can open CMD. Okay, so we may just ping and we may just straight copy this website, copy, and we just paste it over here, enter. Okay, so basically this is the IP address for the www.iblio.org. Then next, do the same thing to this website also. So ping. Okay, so basically you can see actually the IP address for those this website are the same, 152.19.134.40. Okay, so basically we have proved that they are the same website. Okay, so that's complete for the question number 3. This one, the question number 2. So we need to proceed to question number 3, share domain.java. Okay, so we need to identify all these server IP so that they will fetch this address and print in array and put in all in the array form. Okay, so let's go. So this one, the share domain. Okay, so basically share domain is over here. So we just need to actually to prove that the microsoft.com, the IP address for it. Okay, so let's go, let's learn before. Okay, so basically you can see the there's the IP address, multiple IP address for microsoft.com. They will print it in array and they'll put it like this. Okay, so basically um, this is for question 3, and for the question 4, actually we need to actually to serve as the internet address checker, so we need to show the view of the value. So let's go, we can just straight run the program address checker. Okay, so basically this is the thing, this is the Java code, so let's run it. Okay, so you can see, so under the choice, right? So we can actually choose get and display IP address, get and display current or name of this host, the loopback address, and also host name. Okay, so let's go without further ado. 1. Okay, so enter the URL. Let's go to www.google.com. Okay, so basically you can see that the google.com is 142.250.199.36. Okay, so we need to go to the choice display current IP address. Okay, so the current IP address for this is this one. Okay, and we may proceed to number 3, display current name of this host. So this is my laptop, right? So this is my laptop name, and yeah, this is my current host over here. And display the name, current name. This I have done it. Number 4. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so number 4. Okay, our loopback address is this one, 127.0.0.1. Okay, so display commercial hostname for a website, 5. So www.google.com. Okay, so basically it needs some time to load for it. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so this is the commercial canonical hostname for www.google.com. And let's see number 6. Okay, so the IP address, basically we just use back the same IP address as google.com. So this one, right? Okay, so we just copy, we just paste over here. Okay, enter. So this is okay, you can see this is the core canonical hostname, same as the google.com as above. So I think that's all for the program for address checker, and you can see we have successfully built it. And yeah, I think that's all for Lab 3 demonstration. So thank you.